Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. Today we'll be making this beautiful flowered applique. Beautiful flowered applique, and we'll be using this stretchy fabric. A stretchy fabric. And also, if you look through the video, you also see Heat and Burn Ultra Hold Pepper. We'll be using it today to make this beautiful design. So stay tuned to learn more. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is So by me, Juliana. I've been away for some time now, and today I would like to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. I appreciate you all, and I would also like to use this opportunity to make a quick video. I made a previous video before on how you can use this is what it's called fabric stabilizer. I've used it before. How you can use it to make your applique with Ankara fabric or any fabric of your choice. Today we'll be using a different thing altogether. I would like to quickly show you guys how you can use this Heat and Burn. That's the name of the material, Heat and Burn. It's like a pepper, but it has some glue, something to glue together your fabric to enable you place it on the fabric or the material. So I'll quickly show you guys how to do this with this Heat and Burn. It's the instruction is at the back of the paper here. The instruction, everything is well detailed and it's very easy. Just few steps, you get it done. So let's go quickly to it. And today we'll be using stretchy fabric, this flower stretchy fabric. I got this in a fabric store. It's a stretchy fabric, as you guys can see. Last time I did with Ankara fabric and with the stabilizer, but today we are doing it with the Heat and Burn. So here we are. We have, these are some of the samples, the ones are already done. You see the back is shiny. The back has the glue where you place on your fabric. So here we have some of the fabric already cut out. When you are making this type of design, you have to make sure you have a fabric that has a bold design. You can see this one. It has flower design or any pattern, so that when you are cutting it out, it will be easier for you to cut it out. So now I've already cut out some of my flowers. So here I have a piece of, I already cut out the pieces of this Heat and Burn material. So now what you do, what you need is your iron. Put your iron on the highest setting, but you be careful when you are using your iron not to burn your fabric. So now the next thing to do is to, this is the material, measure out the size, and they also measure out the size of the Heat and Burn pepper. I'll cut it out now and I will place it like so. It's very easy. Like I said before, turn your design, turn it to the wrong side like so. When you turn it to the wrong side, the next thing to do is to place your Heat and Burn pepper like so. Hope you guys are watching. It's very easy and simple. Place it like just to cover up your fabric. Make sure it covers the fabric so that you get it done properly. So now the next thing is to place your iron directly on top of the flower, on top of the Heat and Burn pepper, and iron hard, press hard on top of the pepper directly to your design. It can be flower or anything, depends on the pattern of your fabric. So now today we are doing this one just to show you guys. So press hard and yeah, that's it. Remove your iron and you see it's already stick together on the iron. Just pull. But before you remove the fabric from the heat and burn pepper, make sure the whole thing, the glue, have gotten to the fabric, because the glue, without it you cannot use it on any fabric or to make any design. The essence of ironing it is to enable the glue to stick on your applique, to stick properly, so that when you are going to iron it down on your fabric for design, it will be easy for you to do so. You see now, in order to know whether you've done it properly, you see the glue. Any fabric you use, the glue, some of the particles of the glue will also stick on that fabric, as you guys can see. So now it's ready to peel. You can as well trace the remaining part of the pepper out. Just cut it out like so. If you like, trim off the excess like so. Or if you don't want it that way, you can equally go ahead and, okay, let me do it this way, the fastest way. Now we're going to peel off my fabric from there. You guys can see. Hope you are watching closely. You see, I've peeled off the design. So now what you do is to, like I said before, if you like, you can trim off all this before you peel it out. It's your choice. But now I'll use my scissors, gradually peel off the excess glue, the leftover glues by the side. Trim it off gradually in order not to ruin your design. So like so, I'll do it to the end. You can even use your fingers gradually. Don't pull so hard. See? So like so, you remove all the excess. Now you have yourself the design. So now when you want to place it to your fabric, it goes directly to the fabric. You don't need any glue anymore. The next thing to do is to iron it on top of your fabric. I will make another video to show you guys how to place it on the fabric. So this is the end of our video. Hope you like it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification button to know when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.